vegetable seller. He is selling some fresh vegetables. Come, let's learn about weight with the help of these vegetables. Look at this. This is a weighing scale. We use a weighing scale to compare the weights of two objects. When we compare the weights of two objects, one object can either be heavier or lighter than the other, or both can weigh the same. Let's understand this in a better way with the help of the weighing scale. Look, Raghu kept a pumpkin in one pan and a brinjal in the other. The pan with the pumpkin went down and the pan with the brinjal went up. The pan with the heavier object always goes down and the pan with the lighter object always goes up. So, the pumpkin is heavier than the brinjal, or we can say that the brinjal is lighter than the pumpkin. Look at the weighing scale now. Raghu has kept 2 tomatoes in one pan and 2 chilies in the other. The pan with the 2 tomatoes went down and the pan with the 2 chilies went up. So which is the heavier object? As the pan with the tomatoes went down, it means the tomatoes are heavier. See, now Raghu is keeping the lemons on the weighing scale. He kept 5 lemons in one pan.
Already aware of the need of a standard unit to measure weight. Gram and kilogram are standard units used to measure weight. Let us learn about the standard units of weight with Rosie and Uncle Sam.
Hello, Uncle Sam.
Hey Rosie,
Are you going to the market?
the weight of an object, our own weight in grams or kilograms. We buy vegetables and grocery in grams or kilograms. Look, these are called standard weights. They are approved by the government. Measure the weight of an object. See, Raju has kept a pumpkin in one pan and a 1 kilogram weight in the other pan. Look, the pointer of the balance is aligned with the center and both the pans balance each other. It means the weight of the pumpkin is 1 kilogram. Now, this position of the beam balance tells us the weight of the object. Now, we have to buy some tomatoes. Raju, give us some tomatoes.
She is keeping different weights to find the proper weight of the tomato. First, she keeps a 1 kilogram weight. But the pointer is towards the tomatoes, and even the pans are not balanced. The pan with the tomatoes
does it weigh? From that we have selected one topic, Vishal's shop, page number 94. Okay, so we will solve the problems under this heading. Vishal has a big scrap shop. Today he has received 45 kg of old newspaper. So Vishal has a big scrap shop. Scrap means when we are going to clean up our houses, our offices, or anything, we used to get some waste material which should be thrown out of the house or office, right? तो उसको बोलते हैं अपन स्क्रैप. जो कचरे का मटेरियल रहता है, जो अपने घर में जो है ना साफ़ करते वक्त फेंक देने का आइटम जो रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं अपन स्क्रैप. ये और अपने घर के पास जो है ना आते हैं लोग स्क्रैप कलेक्ट करने के लिए. सो विशाल हैज़ ए स्क्रैप शॉप. So his collection is given today. So today he has received 45 kg of old newspaper. तो स्क्रैप में क्या क्या आता? ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर अपने कुछ भी यूज़ के नहीं रहते ना अब. सो ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर, 26 kg ऑफ स्क्रैप आयरन. जो आयरन के मटेरियल्स अपने घरों में बने हुए रहते, लेकिन वो बहुत साल हो गए तो रस्टेड हो आते, जंग आता, उसको फेंक देते हैं अपन. तो वो फेंकने के आइटम जो है या ख़राब हो गए हो या जंग लग गया हो तो उसको फेंक देने के आइटम स्क्रैप आयरन जो है वो कितना मिला इसको? 26 kgs एंड 8 kgs ऑफ वेस्ट प्लास्टिक. वेस्ट प्लास्टिक मतलब जो प्लास्टिक की चीज़ें रहते जो टूट जाते वैसे चीज़ जो है ना अपन घरों में नहीं रख के फेंक देते. तो वेस्ट प्लास्टिक, ही हैज़ गॉट हाउ मच ऑफ वेस्ट प्लास्टिक? 8 kgs ऑफ वेस्ट प्लास्टिक. सो इन ऑल विशाल गॉट received 45 kgs of old newspaper, 26 kgs of scrap iron and 8 kgs of waste plastic. Okay, now we'll move on to first problem. Problem number A. What is the total weight of his collection in the day? For that purpose, what we need to do? We have to check for which material or which atom he has got of how much weight. So newspaper of 45 kgs and scrap iron of 26 kgs and waste plastic of 8 kgs. So what we need to do to get the answer? We need to just find out the sum of all the three numbers. So let's solve it. 26 and 8. So we need to find the addition for all the three numbers. 5 plus 6 we'll get 11. 11 plus 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. So in 19 at one's place we have 9. So 9 should be written here and this one should be written in the carry. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So what is the total weight of the scrap he has got on the particular day is 79 kgs. Okay. So answer for our first bit is 79 kgs. Okay na? Now, question number B. Vishal paid rupees 8 for every 1 kg old paper. Okay, now 8 rupees is paid for 1 kg of old paper. 8 rupees for 1 kg of newspaper. It is given. Now what is asking us? How much he would have paid for 45 kg? ओके विशाल जो है 8 रुपीज़ दे रहे 1 kg ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर के लिए. 1 kg पेपर ले रहे तो 8 रुपीज़ पे कर रहे. एंड हाउ मच ही वुड हैव पेड फॉर 45 kg. अगर वही 45 kg सॉरी फॉर 1 rupees 8 इज़ पेड फॉर 1 kg. नाउ 45 kg अगर ले रहे नो तो कितना अमाउंट पे कर रहे. ओके. So now if you observe here, 1 kg is coming in 8 rupees, then 5 kg will come in how much amount? So what we have to do here, कौन सा ऑपरेशन यूज़ करना है? एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन. तो how to find out that specific operation means, see here a hint. For 1 kg it is 8 rupees. 45 kg how much it will be means we are check it out whether we are increasing or decreasing the quantity. 1 kg in 8 rupees, 45 kg in how much rupees? So 1 kg to 45. What we are doing here, whether we are adding the quantity or we are decreasing the quantity. So here the quantity is being increased. So what operation, which operation we have to use here means we have to use here multiplication. When we are going to, when the small quantity is given to you and the small quantity weight is or amount is given to you and you have been asked to find out what would be the amount for the bigger quantity, at that time what you have to do, you have to do the multiplication. In the same case, if bigger quantity amount is given to you and the question is asked find out the amount which should be paid for smaller quantity, at that time what you have to do, you have to find out the division. So remember this forever. Bigger quantity amount is given, बड़ी चीज़ की आपको रकम दे दिए, बड़ी चीज़ का जो है ना आपको कितने में ख़रीद सकते वो अमाउंट दे दिए और आपको पूछ रहा कि छोटा अमाउंट जो है ना कितने में आता, वही सेम चीज़ छोटी क्वांटिटी में कितना आता. सो एट द टाइम व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू डू द डिवीजन. अगर वही केस when smaller quantity is given with its amount and you have been asked to find out what would be the amount when the quantity is increased, at that time from small to big you are going means you have to do multiplication. If you are going from bigger to small, at that time you have to do division. I hope it is clear to you. Remember it forever. Now let's move towards our problem. So Vishal paid rupees 8. For 1 kg he is paying 8 rupees and for 45 kgs how much amount will be paid by him? So now you answer me. For 1 kg the amount is 8 rupees. For 45 kgs the amount is question mark. So we are going to decrease or increase the amount here, quantity. So the quantities, it is very clear that the quantity is getting increased from 1 kg to 45 kgs. So what we need to do, which operation we have to use here means definitely we have to use multiplication only. But what should be multiplied? This amount for 1 kg and the new quantity should be multiplied. So we'll get the answer by multiplying 45 into 8. So now 8 5s, what do we get? 8 5s, 8 5s 40. So at 1's place what do we have here? 0. Then this 4 will be written in the carry. Next 8 should be multiplied by 4. 8 4s 32. 32 and the carry is 4. So we have to add 4 to 32. 33, 34, 35, 36. So what is our answer? 360. Okay. Let's move to other question. Question number C. Vishal paid rupees 520 for all the scrap iron that he collected. Scrap iron जितना भी उन्होंने collect करे उसके लिए कितना पे करे इन्हों? 520 rupees. Okay. First of all we will know how much scrap iron is collected by Vishal. It is already given in the question. So scrap iron की quantity कितनी दी है अपने यहाँ पे? 26. So scrap iron is 26 kgs. For 26 kgs he is paying rupees 520. So remember it. For 26 kgs rupees 520 is given. Okay now. Then what he is asking, how much did he pay for 1 kg of scrap iron? Now it is interesting. So for 26 kgs the amount is 520. Amount is 520. For 1 kg we need to find out. Now you answer me. from 26 kgs to 1 kgs. What we are getting here, whether the quantity is decreased or increased, it is very clear that the quantity is decreased. From 26 kgs to 1 kgs it has come. So what we need to do, just we have to go a little previous. What did I say? Whether when the bigger quantity is given, when the bigger quantity amount is given and it is asked to find out the smaller quantity amount, so what we have to do, without any doubt we have to find out the division. Okay na? So now which two numbers should be divided? So 26 kgs is given in 520 rupees, then 1 kg will be in question mark. So what you have to do here, you have to divide this 520 by 26. 26 divided by 520. Now 26 ones are 26, 26 twos are, if you don't remember we will multiply here. 26 twos are, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 26 divided by 520. So 26 twos are 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5. So we are getting 52 at 2, 26 twos are. So 26 divided by 520 means 26 twos are 520. Now 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. Then the followed number is 0. In 26 table, when do we get 0? 26 zeros are 0. And one more thing, remember that when we are multiplying any number with 0, we get the answer as 0 only. Okay. When we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0. 0 से किसको भी multiply करो, into करो, 0 ही आता. When we are adding any number with 0, अगर add करें तो we will get the same number. 26 प्लस 0 प्लस कर रहे ना वहाँ पे तो 26 आता. अगर इंटू कर रहे तो 26 इंटू 0 मतलब इंटू करे तो 0 आता, प्लस करे तो जो नंबर है वो नंबर आता. तो यहाँ पे अपने को आंसर क्या आया यहाँ पर? अब 26. So what do we get the answer here? 20. 20 is our answer. In the division, 4 parts will be there. If you remember, just we recollected 520, 26 twos are 52, followed number is 0, 26 zeros are 0. Here 0 minus 0 means 0. Now in this division, total 4 parts will be there. Which number is dividing here? This is nothing but divisor. Which number is getting divided? This is nothing but dividend. And what we are getting the answer, that is nothing but quotient. And at last what do we get? This is nothing but remainder. Quotient, divisor, dividend, remainder. Okay. Which number is dividing? That is divisor. Which number is getting divided? That is dividend. And what do we get the answer? That is nothing but quotient. And at last what do we get? At down means that is remainder. Okay. Okay.